Suprabhat accounts. You must be wondering that why did I wish you differently today? Instead of wishing you good morning, I said Suprabhat because I am going to speak about the state of West Bengal. And in Bengali, Suprabhat means good morning. So fasten your seat belts as we are going to travel to the state of West Bengal to inquire about its culture and traditions. So, are you ready for the voyage? West Bengal's capital is Kolkata. It is the former capital of India under the British rule. It was the birthplace of modern Indian literary and artistic thought and is referred to as the cultural capital of India. Bengal has a recorded history of around 1400 years. The presence of paras, which are clusters of neighborhood that possesses a strong sense of community, is characteristics of West Bengal. Typically, each para has its own community club and on occasions are celebrated together and a playing field too. Now, the official language that is spoken in Bengal is Bengali. Apart from West Bengal, Bengali is the official language of the state of West Tripura, the Barak Valley region of the state of Assam. It is also the official language in Bangladesh. Bengali is the fifth most spoken native language and the sixth most spoken language by the total number of speakers in the world. Now let us understand about some of the notable monuments of Kolkata. Do you know what are they? They are the Howrah Bridge, the Victoria Memorial, the Dakshineshwar Kali Temple, Fort William, Belur Mott, and Jorashako Thakurbari. Now let us come to the literature of West Bengal. West Bengal has a rich legacy of amazing literature with great authors like Sharat Chandra Chattopadhyay, Rabindranath Tagore, Kazi Nazrul Islam, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, contributing their fair share to the Bengali literacy as well as to the world literature. You must be knowing about Rabindranath Tagore, isn't that so? So, Rabindranath Tagore even went on to win the Nobel Prize for Literature for his collection of poems called Gitanjali. There has been a long tradition of folk tales in Bengali, like the Thakumar Jhuli, the stories of Gopal Bhar, and much more, which in their popularity bear a great resemblance to the famous stories like Arabian Nights and the Panchatantra. Now, West Bengal has a long standing tradition of folk dramas. They are known as Jatra. Now, this form of theatre is a musical drama which depicts some story in a melodious manner, even while acting it out on the stage. It used to be one of the ways to spread the story of Lord Krishna to the people. The dialogues are all dramatic monologues, and nowadays the play is usually preceded with a musical concert to attract the audience. Now, West Bengal has its own film industry too, known as the Tollywood, and it is based in the Tollygunj region of West Bengal. It has a long list of acclaimed filmmakers, both nationally and globally. It includes the Academy Award winning film director like Satyajit Ray. Other famous contemporary filmmakers include Rituparna Ghosh, Aparna Sen, Nandita Roy, etc. West Bengal is the pioneer of modern art in India. The main visual art form in West Bengal is Chal Chitro, Pot Chitro, and Durga Pot. It is famous worldwide for terracotta dolls, bakura horses, and katha stitches, dokras, etc. Now, the music of West Bengal include indigenous musical genre like the baul, the Bishnupuri classical, কীর্তন, শ্যামা সঙ্গীত, রবীন্দ্র সঙ্গীত, নজরুল গীতি, etc. There are many traditional dance forms in West Bengal, like the Robindro Nritya, the Chou dance, tribal dance like the Santali dance, the Gauriya dance, etc. Now let me tell you a little bit about the attire of West Bengal. The traditional dress for Bengali men are the dhoti, Punjabi, kurta, and for women it is sari, like the red border sari, the Banarasi sari. And West Bengal is famous for its culture and its festival, which is an inevitable part of our culture. Now, Durga Puja is the biggest and the most important festival of West Bengal, and it features colorful pandals, decorative idols of Hindu goddess Durga and her family, lighting, decoration, and the immersion process. Other major festivals are like Kali Puja, Diwali, Holi, Saraswati Puja, Rath Yatra, Kojagori Lakshmi Puja, Vishwakarma Puja, Poush Parbon, and Poila Boishakh. You know, our state also celebrate festivals like Christmas, Eid ul Fitr with as much pomp and joy. The state is known for its unique and tasty cuisine, from the staple rice and fish meal to really popular Bengali sweets. The state has a lot to offer. Bengali cuisine is quite famous for its wide variety of sweets, which are quite popular all over the country. They include rasmalai, pantua, rasgulla, mishti doi, among others. So, Akons, I hope you have got a fair idea about the state of West Bengal. So, let us end this session with a Bengali song that we often sing in our school. Thank you.
যদি তোর ডাক শুনি কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে, যদি তোর ডাক শুনি কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে, একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো রে, যদি তোর ডাক শুনি কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে, যদি তোর ডাক শুনি কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে। যদি কেউ কথা না কয় ওরে ওরে ও ভাগা, কেউ কথা না কয়, যদি সবাই থাকে মুখ ফিরায় সবাই করে ভয়, যদি সবাই থাকে মুখ ফিরায় সবাই করে ভয়, তবে পরাণ খুলে ও তুই মুখ ফুটে তোর মনের কথা একলা বলো রে, যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে, যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না